Hey everyone, so today's question is how much protein is too much protein and how much should you be eating? It's a really individualized and personal question, so it depends on what your goals are. There are a lot of people who are bodybuilding or trying to add muscle mass, and for that you can have safely up to a gram of protein per pound of body weight. So if you're 150 pounds, it's 150 grams. That's a lot of protein. It's a lot more than most people are eating on a daily basis. For the average person, somewhere between 50 and 70 grams a day is appropriate, depending on what your goals are and how your metabolism is. People ask if having more protein is safe. Well, generally it is, unless you already know that you have a kidney problem or some other health issue where you don't digest protein well. So check with your doctor on what's right for you. But if you don't have any of those health issues, you can safely digest protein. And it's really all comes down to the quality of source. Animal protein is more bioavailable. It's sort of the gold standard. It's 100% bioavailable. Plant proteins are not always fully bioavailable, and they're not always a complete set of amino acids or essential amino acids, which are the ones that you need to take in from food because your body doesn't make them. So if you are vegan and not eating any animal source of protein, you want to make sure that you're combining plant sources in such a way that you get a complete set of amino acids. I hope that answers your question, and we'll see you next time.